Alright guys, so I just fixed up my dirt bike, so we're gonna go see how she runs. I also reinstalled my professional duct tape and cloth packing in my muffler, so hopefully she'll be sounding real quiet. Anyways, I was getting a sound from my motor. I'm pretty sure it's the motor mount vibrating. It's missing a few bolts, so it sounds kind of funky. You might be able to hear it. There we go. I'll start it up. What's that sound? Uh-oh. Doesn't sound good. I don't know what that's all about. Actually doesn't sound that great. I hope that's just my muffler. Yeah. Alright, so I just took the packing out of my muffler to see if that might have been the problem. So we're gonna check it out, see what's going on here. That didn't sound good. It sounded like maybe my valves were shot, or maybe I even need a new head gasket. Still kind of faltering a little bit. It's not my choke. My choke's off. Wow. Give it another try. Hopefully it's nothing major, because it was honestly like half an hour ago it was running just fine. Now it's running like shit. It's my carburetor. That's weird. Everything looks legit. I don't know why he's doing that. What do you think that is? I think I just got dirt in there or something. I think I just need to open her up when you finally catch her. I'm trying to ease on the throttle. Yeah, that's my carburetor, man. It sucks. Don't tell me I have to clean that shit out. Come on. This is garbage. Ah, shit. Come on, I freaking accidentally kick it into second gear, and then it freaking won't shift back up to fourth. Fine, if you want, I'll just idle it back up to my shed. I don't give a shit. It's gonna have to pull me. Come on. Like, my choke is definitely not on. Definitely. Shit. Alright guys, so after fiddling around with the carburetor for a while, you know, undoing the throttle, like this and that. Switching to my other carburetor that I had stashed in that box, and it still didn't work. I checked if I had any gas. Well, I probably should have checked if I had any gas before I did any of that. But yeah, I actually had no gas. But I actually thought I had a full tank, but I actually didn't. So yeah, she's running now, and she's not being gay and not starting. But here we go. But guess what? I had to take the thing out of the exhaust, so yep, so that was a problem.